Come tour my Oceanview Townhouse suite at the Hyatt Vacation Club Highlands Inn. I got there at night, so this is a bit of a dark tour, but when you walk in, to your right, there was a full bathroom. This was meant to be the bathroom for whoever stayed on the pull-out couch in the living room, because there was only one bed in this unit. After you see the bathroom, you head down the hallway to what was a pretty small but very efficient kitchen. You always have the coffee maker. There was coffee provided. You have a dishwasher with dishwasher taps provided, a full-size refrigerator, and then of course the microwave, oven, and burners. I found the kitchen to be very well outfitted. Over to the left, you had a small closet that had enough closet space for whoever was sleeping on the pull-out couch, as well as the linens for that pull-out couch. And in addition to the couch, you had one chair. There was a balcony out there, and I'll take you to see the view in the morning. But it also had a wood-burning fireplace, which was fantastic, and they had it completely set up for a fire. You also had a small table with 3 chairs, which was weird for a room that was supposed to sleep 4. Now down the hallway, this is by the front door. Here is your hall closet with your safe. It even had an umbrella, a laundry basket, a small step stool. It really had everything you needed to make your stay nice. Up the stairs was the master bedroom bathroom combination, and at the top of the stairs there was no door, so if you had somebody staying downstairs, I have to believe that the noise would really travel. It was just myself on this vacation, so I didn't get to test out that theory. The room was very well appointed to include a king-size bed. Now, the room was open to the bathroom, but you could slide these doors to close it off, and it was a great big space. The tub was absolutely huge. I didn't use it, but it was very large. There was only one sink. It didn't have the 2 sinks, but it did have my favorite magnifying mirror. And then behind the door was actually the water closet, which I always think is a really nice feature. You did have a shower, which had your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which was, again, a really nice touch. And then you had your closet space. You had a couple of luggage racks, some hooks, some shelves, and of course, I always love it when they provide robes. I thought that was a really nice touch, particularly because you have to walk a long way to the pool. And this is my room at night. But look at my view in the morning. So this is an Oceanview Townhouse suite, and that's the sunrise over Point Lobos. And let's see our morning view downstairs out the back patio and the small deck space. And there you see it. Again, I had a nice little sliver of ocean view. Now the view was the first thing that I really liked about this room, but there were a couple other features that I thought were really great. The first are these little reading lamps for when you're in bed reading. I love when a room has those. The second was these hooks in the closet. I've never had that in a hotel room before, and I found them incredibly useful. And the third thing I liked was that the room had Tupperware, because I did end up packing up a lunch and taking it with me. Now, there were a few things that I did not like in this room, and the first was that I could not find anywhere to charge my phone the first night, and that's because they were kind of hidden on the side of the nightstand. The next thing I didn't like was my windows were just really dirty, and aren't I being nitpicky, but it's true, they were dirty. The third thing I didn't like was there's no garbage disposal, so things like washing my salad bowl turned into an extra mess. Now in the master bedroom closet was this very large fan, so I did some investigation, and the rooms do not have AC. They might not need it, but it's something to consider. And finally, the thing I did not like about this room is this toilet phantom flushed, meaning in the middle of the night it would just flush and scare me to death. This really was a spectacular property with views around every corner. I highly recommend.